She says, I want to look at the camera because I am the angel. We lost a shoe. Okay. Hey. Emma. We should have had it when she was doing really good. Emma. There we go. What do we do? Huh? Oh, can we talk today? Huh? We talking? Oh, we're gonna get mad now. Huh? What? Oh, we're mad. We're all mad. What's the matter? Hmm? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are we getting tired? Are we? Well. Mm-hmm. Are you going to talk to me? Okay. There we go. Are you going to talk to me? Yeah. That's better. Yeah, can you talk to me? Huh? What? Are we getting tired? Are we? Are we getting tired?